there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to guide you through a couple of methods to tackle that pesky Mobile Legends high ping issue on your iPhone. It's super quick and easy, so let's dive right in. Solution 1. Tweak some internal settings in the game. Open up Mobile Legends, look for the small gear icon in the top right corner and give it a tap. Next, head over to the Network tab. Now, make sure to turn on both Speed Mode and Network Boost Mode. After that, you'll spot the Network Test option at the bottom. Tap on it. Here you'll find various options like Network Test, Resource Repair, Clearing Cache and Cookies, etc. Give these options a try to resolve your issue. If the problem persists, don't worry, we have got more solutions up our sleeve. Solution 2. Toggle Airplane Mode. Swipe down to access your phone's control center. Next, toggle on Airplane Mode and wait for 30 seconds. Then, toggle it off. You can also try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if that helps. Solution 3. Offload Mobile Legends game. Head to your iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, find and tap on iPhone storage. Then, look for the Mobile Legends app. Tap on it, then select Offload app. Then confirm by tapping Offload app again. Now, reinstall the app and the issue should be gone. If not, try disabling it from your iPhone settings. And there you have it. Hopefully one of these solutions did the trick for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you still have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.